ಗಣಪತಿ ಹಾವಯ್ಯೇ
Lovely lady, Mayuri Krishna. Mayuri, you know something about Ganesha, and the Bharatanatyam tells a story. So quickly, can you tell something about the song what you dance for? I know you're breathing hard. You want 2 seconds? Yeah. Sorry. Let's make some noise here. People, ladies and gentlemen, having fun tonight? Let's give her 2 breaths. Mayuri, you're ready. You must be ready now. Thank you for that.
Hello, I'm Mayuri Pradeep and I danced for Dancing Ganesha song. It's called like Joyously Dancing Ganesha. In Hindu tradition, anything you start before, it's a common tradition to invoke Lord Ganesha because it is believed that Lord Ganesha is remover of all obstacles. So you need a good start. Everyone wants a good start. And also any obstacles that may arise, we need mental and physical strength to overcome it. So Lord Ganesha is believed to be someone who removes all of these and makes a good path for you. And apart from that, there's a speciality about dancing Ganesha. Because if you see Ganesha has a big head, like elephant head, and a pot belly. To someone like with that physique, we think it's... But he joyously dances. He doesn't care. Whatever the outside situation may be, he's always joyous. So that's... dancing Ganesha exudes a lot of positivity. So it's considered very auspicious. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayuri. Now we all know how hard you breathe after dancing. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've got a good teacher here. You can send your little ones for classes to dance. It doesn't